Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you the steps to upload a new cover photo to your LinkedIn profile. Start by heading over to linkedin.com. Once the homepage loads, you need to sign into your account. You can choose to log in with your Google account or simply provide your email address and password. If you have two-step verification turned on, LinkedIn will prompt you to confirm your identity. This usually means entering a specific code sent to your phone. Follow these security steps, enter the code, and you will be successfully logged in. Once you are on your main feed, navigate to your profile by clicking on your small profile picture at the top of the page and selecting the View Profile option. Now that you are on your personal profile page, focus on the introduction section where your name and headline appear. Look toward the top right of this area to find a small pencil icon, which serves as the Edit button. Clicking this icon opens up several profile customization options. Locate and click on the Change Photo button. This allows you to either upload a custom image from your computer or choose one of the default background options provided by LinkedIn. If you decide to use your own file, make sure the image is clear and high quality. A professional cover photo helps create a positive first impression for anyone visiting your page. After you have selected or uploaded your preferred image, you need to finalize the process. Click the Save button to apply the new background to your profile. Keeping this image updated is a simple way to ensure your profile looks current and professional to potential employers or business partners. This quick adjustment significantly enhances your online presence. Your new cover photo is now active, giving your profile a more personalized feel. You can change this image as often as you like to reflect your current career goals or personal branding. Thank you for following this tutorial, and I hope it helps you stand out on the platform. Remember to subscribe for more helpful guides.